All right, we're back and we're smoking whole chicken today. We're going to get things started by spatchcocking those chickens. We want to remove that backbone, and pro tip, remove the breastbone. It's going to make things a whole lot easier for you. Next, we're going to get things started by coating very liberally using our Birdie rub. Use whatever rub you like, but let's face it, this is a little loose. We use Birdie. We're going to go low and slow, 275 today, over Gourmet Woods, Texas, post oak on our Mike's Custom Steel Works backyard pit. At about an hour and a half into the cook, we're going to take some melted butter and we're going to baste it over the chickens. This is going to make sure those chickens get a really nice crispy skin. At about 2.5 hours, once the chickens hit 160 internal, we're going to take off and we're going to wrap. I like to pull at 160 because it's going to carry over cook and you're going to hit that 165 without losing a lot of those juices. And then after a nice 30 to 45 minute rest in our cooler, we're going to enjoy a nice chicken dinner.